Hey friends, this movie is not perfect, but I still had a good time watching it in cinemas. For me, ang ganda ng chemistry nilang tatlo. They are so fun to watch and their chemistry is on point, ganon. Tingin ko rin ang unique ng action sequences dito. Medyo nakakahilo for me switching pero ang astig niya panoorin sa cinema. At least dito may explanation kung bakit hindi masyadong OP si Captain Marvel, ganon. I also love Miss Marvel kasi para siyang Spider-Man pero girl version, ganon. Ang cute niya na parang gusto ko siya lagi pinapanood. Gusto ko rin yung idea ng conflict pero I think yung pinaka-problem ng pelikula is from the conflict and the villain itself. Feeling ko kasi parang kinulang sa storytelling yung conflict ng pelikula kaya parang konti lang yung stake niya para sa mga bida. I think that's the reason kung bakit medyo naging boring for me yung villain. But overall, I still enjoyed it. I love the dynamic of these three and I also love that post-credit scene.